Hi! In this video, we will learn about capitalizing the names of places, holidays, and dates. Birthdays. What's the month of your birthday? No matter which month it is, you always begin the name of the month with a capital letter. For example, my birthday is January 10th. Notice that the first letter is capitalized for the name of each month. Keep in mind that 2 months of the year are words you can use in other ways, March and May. Unless these words are used as a month, begin a sentence, or name a specific person or place, they begin with a lowercase letter. For example, we watch the band march. We watch the band on March 5th. You may have frozen yogurt after dinner. The yogurt shop opened on May 5th. Just as the months of the year are capitalized, so are holidays. Do you see your favorite holiday in this list? Valentine's Day, Thanksgiving, New Year's Day, Independence Day, Arbor Day. The names of places are also capitalized as long as they name specific places. Here's an example. The school is nearby. This sentence does not name a specific school. The word school is not capitalized. But our school is Mae Jemison Elementary School. This sentence does name a specific school, so all the words in the school's name are capitalized. Remember to capitalize the names of specific places, holidays, and dates. See you next time!